Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make money without having to work every minute of your life? I will share with you how to generate extra money in 2022 with real passive income ideas. So, first of all, I will tell you what is passive income. If you want to understand the real meaning of passive income, you need to know what active income is first. Active income is what most of us make. We go to work every day and give up our free time in exchange for money. If for any reason we don't go to work, then we don't get paid. This lack of income can become a huge problem if we don't have any other money coming in while having bills to pay every day. Passive income is money you make without the need to actively working for it every day. Let me be clear. As much as streaming is nice and some residual income opportunities require less work than others, most passive income ideas need you to put in some or a lot of effort initially. But the amazing thing about passive income is that no matter how much work you have to put in upfront, you will reap the rewards for years to come without having to sweat for your money all the time. If the only way you have to make money is to go to the office, you will never be able to fight. Passive income allows you to put effort today into something that will repay you every single day of your life. And once the amount of passive income you can generate equals or covers more than your expenses, you can stop working entirely. Now, one question is here that why passive income? The passive income for me means just one thing: freedom. This quote from Warren Buffett sums up my reasons to pursue it. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And passive income means having more time to do all the things you really love and spending time with family, traveling the world, and enjoying a flexible schedule. So, what I love about passive income, it doesn't depend on how many hours you work. Once your revenue stream is set up, you can make money with little work needed to maintain it. And number two, it requires you to put in the work upfront, but you will then be able to generate revenues day after day. And you will have more time to do what you love while still making money and paying your bills. And even if you are not dreaming of quitting your day job, it's never a good idea to depend on one single income stream. Your job isn't 100% safe, and generating money passively will give you more security. But there is one thing I really want you to remember, which I learned during these years. Passive income is not easy, it takes time and hard work to build. Whether it will come from a product or investments, you need to have the motivation to create it in the first place. But if you put in the hard work and do your research, it is possible to make money while walking in the park. There are three ways to generate passive income: investing money you already have, number two, renting out things you own, number three, getting paid for things you already do, and number four, creating an online business. So choose a few ideas that sound interesting to you and try them out. If you don't start to create passive income now, you will never escape the rat race to live the life of your dreams. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for next video, because in my next video I will share some passive income methods that actually work in 2022. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.